Alexa, what is the meaning of July 4th?
July 4th, Independence Day, celebrates the day that the U.S. declared independence from Britain in 1776.
Thank you, Alexa. Today is July 4th, as Alexa is telling me. Greetings from me to you. Greetings and blessings from God Family Chef. I'm going to celebrate July 4th.
Happy holiday! That is what I'm talking about. Family Chef, this is how I celebrate my holiday. Thank you, everyone.
I'm so excited. I'm going to make macaroni salad, right? I have my macaroni pasta here. I have my eggs. I have my red onions. I have my carrots and about 4 or 5 eggs. Okay. I have my pickles here. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I have my honey mustard here. And I have my vinegar. I have my another honey mustard, another like mustard radish. My best friend gave it to me from Canada. All right, so I'm going to use that. And I have my mayonnaise. I have my milk because it's like Hawaiian style macaroni salad. And I have my tuna, about ½ cup of tuna. And I have the shells. I needed to use the elbow pasta, but I just want to change it a little bit. I have my water here. I'm going to boil this water until it boils. Then I'll put the pasta in. So I have 1 teaspoon of salt that goes in the water here. All right. Cover it and put it in the stove. Boil them. Okay. Before we boil the water, we need to get our dressing ready. Okay, any salad needs dressing. This macaroni salad I told you is like kind of Hawaiian macaroni salad because macaroni salad tend to be so dry, so you need a very juicy dressing. So let's go for the dressing now. I'm going to use about ½ cup of mayonnaise. Goes in a bowl here. Right, about 3 tablespoons. Okay, that goes here. I have my mustard here with a little bit of horseradish. It have a little sweetness. That 1 teaspoon goes in here too. Okay. And I'm using honey mustard because people use sugar for their macaroni salad. Because I want this recipe to be a little healthy, I'm using 2 kinds of mustard. This is regular mustard from Canada that have a little bit of horseradish. This is regular honey mustard mayonnaise. About 1 teaspoon goes in here too. All right, and we need about 1 teaspoon of vinegar. About 1 teaspoon of vinegar. You can use lemon juice. I'm telling you, I used lemon juice before. It's really, really good. All right. And we need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm going to need about ½ cup of milk because, like I said, macaroni salad tend to be so dry. If you don't make your salad dressing a little soupy or a little loose, after you take it from refrigerator, it becomes so dry. All right, so I put a little bit of milk. It's like Hawaiian macaroni salad. I get a mix. I'm mixing my dressing. Okay. This is about our dressing. Look, our dressing is done now. So let's put it aside. I have my egg cutter here. Right, I'm going to cut my eggs. If you don't have this, you can use knife to cut your eggs because we need to cut the eggs in pieces. See how it's cut? Very nice. All right. You don't have to use egg if you don't want them. So everything is about ready here. The dressing is ready. The veggies and the egg is ready. The tuna is ready here. So let's wait until the macaroni boil. Then we'll see what we are going to do with the macaroni. Macaroni have to boil about 10 to 12 minutes, okay? So because of time, I grated some of this carrot here. Let me show you how I grated. I peel the salad. I peel the carrots. Wash it right. If you have this thing, it's good. Then you just grate it like that. That's how I get the need that much, so I think it's okay for now. Get it back to the bowl here. All right. And you see the pickles I showed you. This is the pickles. I need about 2 or 3 slices of pickles. Like I said, you can use peppers. But because I'm not a big fan of pepper in my salad, especially in my macaroni salad, I just want to use pickles from the jar. So cut it in small pieces like this. Salad, macaroni salad, that goes in here too. We are waiting for the pasta to boil. Then we see how we are going to use. Okay, as you can see here, my macaroni is done. So I drain it, put a little cold water, rinse it. Okay, this is how the macaroni looks. Like I said, I have to use elbow macaroni, but I use the shells. That's what my son likes. So I'm going to put it straight to my bowl. I boil the macaroni about 12 to 15 minutes, okay? You don't like it al dente, you like it cooked through. Alright. Now we are going to dress our salad. Before we dress it, do you remember the veggies we cut it? Okay? The pickles goes here. Let me put it close. The pickles goes straight on top of the macaroni. The red onions goes in, okay? The carrots goes in. Like I said, you can use celery. One thing I like about macaroni salad is you can put any veggies. Like people put peppers, bell peppers and everything in. I don't like black pepper. I don't like bell pepper in my macaroni salad. Alright, the egg will go later because I don't like the egg to be mush. And here's tuna. Okay, a little bit of lard goes here. You don't have to use tuna if you don't like it, but like I said, today is holiday, so I really need rich and comfort and healthy salad. Okay, so the veggies and tuna is in here. Now the last thing goes in is egg. About 4 eggs, because it's about 2 pounds of macaroni. It's a lot. And what we need is just toss it around. Ah, look at how good it looks. My goodness. And it smells so good. Alright, now everything is in. What do we have to put it for the last ingredients? The last ingredients go in is the, you remember the dressing we made? Okay, let me test it. You need a little bit of salt, so I'm putting a little 1/4 teaspoon of salt in our dressing. Mix. Like I said, this dressing is a little soupy. That's how I like it, because spaghetti, macaroni salad tend to be so dry. If you don't put more dressing, it becomes so dry. So I'm pour all this dressing right on top of this macaroni salad, because it's going to go on the refrigerator for 4 hours. I'm hosting my friends in my sister's house because my apartment is so small, so I decided to go to my sister's house. She had a bigger apartment. Okay, so this is about end of my salad. I'm going to garnish with green onions. I'm going to garnish with spring onions. All right, look at how good it looks. Oh my goodness. Macaroni salad have egg, tuna, carrots. It have a little pickles. It's choice. You can use it or leave it on. All right. Happy holiday. I have to garnish with a little spring onions. I'm garnishing my macaroni salad with spring onion. Okay, people garnish with parsley, Italian parsley, but I don't like parsley, so I'm using spring onion. Okay, this is going to refrigerator for 4 hours. Before we eat it, you have to be put in a refrigerator for 4 hours. As you can see my table here, you see everything here. I have my drink, I have my chicken. Okay, I have my chicken here. I have about my banana bread and my American flag. Look, happy holidays. Today is American Independence Day. I'm going to my sister's house. As I told you, I host my friend by my apartment. It's so small, so everything is going on. Happy holiday. So see you later, folks. I know you're going to subscribe to my channel and be so happy to watch everything. If you didn't watch my drink, like lemonade drink, go watch it. Look at how I made it. I made it this morning. All right, everything is in tight in the house. So happy, 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 happy. See you. I'm coming. I told you my friend is coming. My hairdresser is coming. Come in, please.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, family chef. Happy holiday.
Happy holiday.
Family chef. They call me sister. What's my catch up? They call me sister. I hope you could do July 4th. Happy holiday. Yeah, family chef. Because I'm a hairdresser, I'll fix it with you. Hey, yeah. Me do have some of the afternoon making picture, mommy. She open crochet, open on rope, and then after you name it. Hairdresser, will fix them. What's it? You don't care for me. Family chef, my landing Mrs. Effie, your neighbor. 7 being packing. Go here, this is my sister's house. My hairdresser is helping me. Yeah, let the party start. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 17 steps. I'm telling you. Hey, look at the table. Take me off. Holiday to the true mad lights. Yes. Thank you for watching the video. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.